Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX, right here on Ham Shack TV. Hey, do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below as well as that subscribe button. That helps the channel tremendously. Also, keep in mind, if it says subscribed, don't hit it again because you'll unsubscribe. We want to keep you right here on Ham Shack TV. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Friday is Black Friday. Amazon already has some incredible deals on radio equipment. And today, GMRS guys, today's the day for you. We're going to talk about GMRS equipment. So without further ado, let me get my screen shared here. And everything I talk about, you'll see a link down below in the description to find. First thing I want to talk about, this is out. Excuse me again. This is an outstanding deal right here. This is a BTECH GMRS-PRO IP67 submersible radio with texting and location sharing, GPS, Bluetooth audio. It's got a compass, NOAA weather radio alerts. It is dual band VHF, UHF scanner. Also long range two-way GMRS walkie-talkie. I hate using that term. It's not a walkie-talkie. A walkie-talkie is a toy. But this is a fantastic radio. You clearly see it's got Bluetooth programming. Taking a look here, just all kinds of fantastic stuff. There's a BTECH GMRS programming app. You've got GPS technology. There's text messaging. You got the IP67 submersible here. You've got dual watch. It's USB chargeable, and it's got an FM radio built in. So just a fantastic little radio here. I'm actually quite interested in it myself. Looking at the tech specs here, you get 150 programmable channels. It says talking range maximum is 100 miles. That obviously is dependent on propagation and things of that nature. 7.4 volts. The dimensions are 3 inches deep, 3 inches wide, and 11 inches tall. So check this out. I really like this. Links in the description. That is your featured product of the day. This is a GMRS radio. I'm curious if you can make it work in the ham bands. Let me see if I can find any details. I do not see anything that, well, maybe, hang on. GMRS range, VHF, UHF scanning and receiving. Okay, so I would not count on this to be able to access your 2 meters and 440 repeaters, but for GMRS, go right ahead. I think this is a fantastic radio. Who knows? Maybe Santa will put one under my tree. I kind of like this. All right, moving on. Let's take a look and see what other GMRS devices are available. Radioddity's got one on here for $143. That's a really good deal. Let's take a look at it. This is the Radioddity DB40-G GMRS radio. It's 40 watts, so you get good power out of it. 199 channels. It is GMRS repeater capable. It's got Vox for off-roading, vehicle driving, that kind of thing. Makes it a little safer. This radio is usually $180 right now during the Black Friday sales. You're going to get it for $143.99. So a really good deal for a mobile GMRS transceiver. Taking a look at some of the details, 169 fully customizable channels. Let's see here. Got a DIY repeater channel. Not quite sure what that is. Optimize repeater connections efficiently. Switching between different ZTCSS and DCS codes. Same frequency, efficiency. Interesting. Dual watch, dual display. You can see that right there. You got your top channel and your bottom channel. And look at that mic. I love a good mic that's got buttons on it, especially for mobile. You don't want to reach up and touch the radio. You want to actually, if you've got your mic in your hand, why not be able to change your VFO and stuff right there from the microphone. I love it. Intuitive microphone control. We were just talking about that. Convenient buttons and a Vox function. Perfectly tailored for the bustling driving scene and keeps you in control and not distracting you from the road ahead. Let's see here. What else are we looking at? 4.2 pounds. It is made in China, of course. 18-month warranty. That's quite nice. Your dimensions are 13.9 inches by 9.69 inches by 2.8 inches. So quite a smaller radio, your typical mobile size for sure. So check that one out. I also see this one. Now this one is not, it's not on the Black Friday sale, but I am a big fan of Midland radios. This one is the Midland MXT500 50-watt GMRS micro mobile, specifically marketed towards farms, ranches, overlanding, trails, off-roaders. You have 8 repeater channels, compact design, external mag mount, 2.1 dB unity gain antenna. Does that mean it does come with an antenna? This is a steal, y'all. Check that out. It's got the antenna with it. Pretty nice small size. You can see it there compared to an iPhone. So check this one out. It is a little pricier. It's $399.99. But if you're big into GMRS, you'll spend that kind of money on a radio. So check this one out. It is the Midland MXT500 right here on Amazon. Again, that's not a Black Friday sale, unfortunately. Let's come back and take a look at some other stuff. You've got a BTECH, another BTECH radio, which we really like the first one we see. This one looks very similar to others on the market. This is the BTECH GMRS-50V2. It's a 50-watt, 256 fully customizable channels for mobile GMRS two-way radio, repeater capable, dual band scanning, VHF, UHF, FM, and NOAA weather radio broadcast receiver. This one is just $219.89, and just take a look at how nice this radio looks. You got your VFO and memory mode. You got call. You got high-low and a lock. You got Monty. You've got FM, and then you've got an exit button. Left side is your channel control. Right side is your volume knob, your RF gain, as you would say. So this is a nice little radio. The microphone is an RJ45. Take a look at some of the details on this. Let's see here. Major upgrade from previous generation. Now features a fully redesigned radio board. 256 channel. We already talked about that. Constant 50 watts output over GMRS. So this is a great old radio. Again, this one does not come with the antenna, but not a bad price for it. $219.89. This one is also not on the Black Friday sale, but I'm seeing some deals here and I do want to share them. Let me come back. Let's go back to our Black Friday sales. Actually, we're going to modify this and make this just Black Friday. Not sure what those are. Let's see here. Baofeng. I mean, we can talk about Baofengs all day long. Baofengs are also good to do both GMRS and 2-meter 440 for ham side. Here's a UV9G. We won't go into great details on it. $38.36. Normally $47. You're getting, maybe 10% off of that. Not bad. Here's that BTECH we were talking about earlier. I really like that one. Here's a UV5G for $20.79. 2-pack Radioddity GMRS-30. Normally $46. You're getting it for $37. Here's another, it's sponsored. That's why. That's that BTECH we were talking about earlier. Here's a TID radio H3. I personally am not a big fan of the TIDs. I know other ham radio YouTubers and GMRS YouTubers are fans of the TID. I'm just not. I think that the Bluetooth programming leaves a lot to be desired, but if it is your thing, here's a TID H3 for $55.99, typically $69.99. So that's a pretty good deal. So check that one out. Let's see here. Here's another BTECH. Well, doesn't that look like a Baofeng? But another BTECH GMRS-V2 $45, normally $64.89. I believe that price is really, really high for that particular radio, but check it out if it's your desire. Baofeng GMRS GM21, normally $60. You can get this one for $47.99. There's another TID H3, $39.99. That's cheaper than the other one. Is this a 2-pack? Yeah, it's a 2-pack. So you get 2 with that previous TID I showed. So 2 for $59.99 or 1 for $39.99. There's more Baofeng. So prison version of the Baofeng GMRS. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's see here. You got the Retevis RA86. I never can pronounce that. HA1G GMRS radio, $29.99. Let's see. What else are we looking at? Here's you another mobile GMRS radio, 20 watts long range. It's the RA85. You can get that one for $89.99. That's a pretty decent deal. Normally $120. So for a mobile, getting it for less than $100 GMRS, I like it. That's pretty good. I mean, Baofeng has just simply saturated the market with these GMRS radios. You type in GMRS or ham for that matter on Amazon, and you get a just vomit load of Baofeng. This is an interesting model. We'll take a quick look at this one. It is the Retevis RA86. So you see, it's got the actual radio here, but there's no display on it. That's because the display is on the microphone. So another option, you've seen CBs that are like this before. This one is a pretty good deal. Normally $140. You can get it for $103.59. You've also got a couple of redemptions here for exclusive for Prime members. You can get another 10% off if you hit that redeem button, or another 3% off with this button right here. So check that out. They've also got a deal where you can bundle it up with a couple of more handheld radios for $169.99. And then finally, they've got this as a handheld station, but you also can get it as a base station as well. So not quite familiar with this setup, but you know, if it suits you, it suits you. So that's let me just take a quick scroll, make sure there's nothing really standing out that might be interesting. No, I think that's it. So that's all for today's episode with the GMRS Black Friday specials. Keep in mind, jump on these right now because the Black Friday sale is going as we speak. So this video is being posted Wednesday, November 27th. You can go now, you can go tomorrow on Thanksgiving, or you can go on Friday. Don't know if these deals will last past Friday. We'll see. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell next to it. Also, if you need to get your ham radio license, hamradioprep.com is the way to go. Use coupon code HamShackTV for an extra 10% off their already fantastic prices. They have general technician and extra class license courses. Also, MCOM, Baofeng Basics, which we saw enough Baofengs today. You don't have to be just a ham to mess with a Baofeng. And they also have an HF Masterclass. So go check out my friends at Ham Radio Prep. Use coupon code HamShackTV for extra 10% off. All these deals, the main one is going to be listed down below. But you can go to the Amazon link below that I will provide in the description. And just type in GMRS Black Friday, and you'll see all the great deals that we displayed today. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. 73. This is AA4WX WSCB 693.